In this example, I want you to read this scenario and then see if you can identify the four parts of the classical conditioning paradigm. The overhead in Tom's lab has a short circuit and gives him a shock every time he touches it. After a while, Tom hesitates every time he is about to touch the overhead. So go ahead and pause the video right now so you can take a minute to fill in the paradigm. And once you've got it filled in, go ahead and unpause the video, and I will have switched over with the answers and discuss the answers. Okay, here are the answers. The unconditioned stimulus is shock. The unconditioned response is fear from shock. So what happened here is Tom got a shock from his overhead, and it caused him to be fearful. And the reason he became afraid was because that shock hurt him. So the unconditioned response could even involve pain as well, but it caused him to be scared of being shocked. The conditioned stimulus is the overhead projector. Imagine that before conditioning took place here, ask yourself, what was neutral? What could you present Tom with and there not be any kind of response? We know it's not shock because we present him with a shock and he unconditionally responds. Overhead, though, if you presented that beforehand, he wouldn't have had a response at all about the overhead. But we compare the shock with the overhead and now only present the overhead to Tom, and he is fearful of the actual overhead projector.